Hi, this is Shane with Snap Supply, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Snap Supply Wholesale account. First, let's make sure we're in the right place. The address for Snap Supply Wholesale is snapsupply.parts. So, once we're in the right place, let's make an account. Mouse over here to My Account. Here you'll see Log into My Account, but we don't have an account yet. We're a new customer, so we have to make a new account. We can click Create Your Account here. Now here, we can fill in our information. I actually went ahead and filled out my information ahead of time. And so when you're ready, when everything is filled out correctly, you click here for Apply for an Account. That will send a request to us to approve your account. And once your account is approved, you'll get an email from us. And in that email will be instructions for how to set up your password. Once you've been approved, and once you've set up your password, you'll be ready to go to start shopping at Snap Supply Wholesale. Thanks so much. Bye.